Hiya, welcome to the channel. There's a bit more of the seafront. There's the new Marina centre there. There's the Silver Slipper Amusements. There used to be the holiday flats above, but with the looks of the state of them, they don't rent them out now. There's a new bar club just there. It's all been done up. That's the building that's been Terror Castle and many other things over the years. There's the Mint. This here used to be Tiffany's years ago. Indoor market was below. It's been Atlantis as well. So this is the new Marina centre. I did post some old photos of the old one being demolished. So this one's the new one. We've got the Tower Bar Public House, sports bar. You used to be able to go up in the lift up to the top. Can't anymore, but you used to be able to. The building in pink is the new prize bingo on the seafront. It's the only one there is, so if you want to play the prize bingo, that's where you need to go. There we are. Yep, there's the prize bingo. Next to Gold Rush and Caesar's Palace. Yesterday's World was just there. Also, Baron's Amusements was there as well. We're sort of here where the Gold Rush is. There's Perry's Ice Cream, new location. Looks very nice. Let's have a look. bit of a seating area as well. Another fish and chip shop there, burgers as well. And there. The Empire, that's all open again now. Definitely worth a visit. And the all new Majestic Amusements, no bingo now. It does say 2021, but this is a new video, it is 2024. They've just not updated the sign. The anchor. So it looks like some flowers have been planted, but they're not no flowers on them yet. They will keep changing the flowers as the seasons change over the months. Right, that is about it for this one. Thank you for watching, much appreciated.